Hi, I'm Dr. Tisha, and I'm a chiropractor here at Joint Action Physiotherapy and Wellness. Today I wanted to talk to you about a particular technique that we use here at the clinic called the Activator technique. The Activator is a low-force adjusting tool that we can use to adjust the spine, and it's based on using different pressure points in the spine to adjust at different settings. There is no twisting or torquing involved of the spine. And the testing that we use is very, very specific to a certain protocol. We use leg length imbalances and inequalities to actually look to see where there are any sort of spinal misalignments or misalignments in extremities. And just to give you an idea of how the process would work, I just want to show you here with this particular patient, we would look to see which leg is shorter. And in this patient's case, we can see that her right leg or her right foot is shorter than the left. So I would run through a series of stress tests and isolation tests to see where the restrictions would be. And then we would go right up into the pelvis. Right hand on your lower back. Good, switch hands, left hand on your lower back. When the patient puts her left hand on her lower back, we can see that her right foot shortens even more so. So what I would do is actually bring her legs up to 90 degrees to see where the restriction would be. And in her particular case, the restriction would be right up on the right side in the L4 segment. Right arm up above your head now. Good, both arms up above your head, arms down. Good, turn your head to the right hand side. And so now I can see that the other leg lengthens on the left side. So head back in the middle, and we would find the T6 segment, and adjust, and also adjust here. Shrug your shoulders up to your ears now, roll them back. Good, let that all go. Look up, head back down. So as you can see, there is a specific protocol that we would use. And the adjustments are very low force. And the patient stays lying down on the table on their stomach in this case. Tuck your chin towards your chest now, let that go. Good. And then just the last adjustment in up through the neck. Press your face down. Good, let that go. So if this looks like something that you're interested to learn more about, or you want some more information, we do offer free 15-minute meet and greets here at the clinic. We would be happy to discuss any sort of concerns or questions that you would have.